Coming up, the Mini-Needs family is doing the egg drop experiment. In 1969, Apollo 11 became the first space mission to put people on the moon. The lunar module was the craft that safely carried the astronauts from the spaceship to the moon's surface. It was covered in a lightweight, gold-colored material called mylar. Engineers found that mylar was good at reflecting heat, and so it kept the astronauts safe from the sun's harmful rays. Certain materials are perfect for keeping dedicating safe. Cars, planes, and buses all use materials that engineers have tested for strength and stability. Here's how to engineer a crash landing pod that will keep an egg safe even when it's dropping from a height. Are you ready to get started? Measure and cut the tubes so they're 4 inches tall, and tape up one end of each. Fill each of your 4 tubes with marshmallows. Stuff in as many marshmallows as you can. Tape up the other end of each tube so you have 4 tubes filled with marshmallows that can't escape.
Okay, how many we have right now?
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4.
Put plastic wrap around the egg. This will contain any mess if the egg cracks while you are testing your pot. Place the egg in the center of the 4 tubes. Strength rubber bands around the tubes to keep everything together. Holding everything together and putting the bands on can be tricky. You may need to ask an adult for help with this. Sandwich the tubes between 2 sponges, one on the top and one on the bottom. Hold everything together with some more rubber bands. Your crash landing pod is now ready for testing. Hold it up high and then drop it. Does your egg survive the fall?
Alright guys, so we've got 4 cardboard tubes full of marshmallows in here. And 1 egg inside. And 2 sponges, one on top and one on the bottom. We're gonna drop this and see if the egg is going to break.
Now drop it. Drop it.
Wait, hold on. Do you think they're going to protect the egg? Check and see if the egg is broken. Is it broken? Okay, sponge is facing down. Now drop it. And see if the egg is broken.
No.
No, okay. And now this time, let's see to let the tubes face down. The tubes, yes, the cardboard tubes. No, this is the sponge. Sponge is still facing down. Let the cardboard tube face down. Yes, this is the card. Yes, there you go. Now,
Drop it.
yes, please. Ah! Check the egg. Nope. Okay, now throw it super hard. As hard as you can. Ah! Okay. Oh, you want to try it again? Wow! Okay, see if the egg is broken. Is it broken?
Nope.
We did it! High five!
did it.
We did it. We did it! We just protected our egg.
If you drop the pot sponge first, the sponge will absorb most of the shock. What happens if the tubes hit the ground first? If you drop the pot sponge first, the sponge will absorb most of the shock. What happens if the tubes hit the ground first?